The call of adventure is always pulling at the human heart. The response to that call often sounds like an engine piercing the air. When it's missing, the silence is deafening. It's something that can't be truly grasped until you put yourself there, and it's where you need to be. There are some that know the call to adventure must be answered. They are always prepared to answer it, even as they're being tested by the unexpected. Those tests reveal strength, talents, and the fire you never knew you had. So prepare for your challenges, meet them, and surpass them. Prepare for the unexpected. Prepare for bigger obstacles and stay the course. They explore and chase after their dreams, overcoming every obstacle with unwavering faith and wisdom. As these victors move forward, passion, courage, and faith are the banners they carry with them. They have full control of their beliefs, soaring through the skies and racing across the earth. Keep moving forward and rise to meet every challenge that comes your way.